Hey there, grammar champions. Welcome back to the channel where English gets easier every single day. Today's topic is a classic one, but one that's often overlooked: common nouns versus proper nouns. Let's break it down, keep it fun, and test what you know. Ready? Let's go! What is a noun? Remember, we defined this in our last class. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Everything around you has a name, and that name is usually a noun. Now, what's a common noun? These are general names for things. They're not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Think: girl,
city, car,
teacher.
dog.
They don't tell us exactly which one, just the category. So when I say girl, that could be any girl. Now, let's talk about proper nouns. These are specific names for people, places, or things, and they always start with a capital letter. Examples include: Emma, not just any girl; Miami, not just any city; Toyota, not just any car; Mr. James, not just any teacher; Bruno, not just any dog. See the difference? Common is general, proper is specific, and proud of it. Let's try a few side by side. River, common, versus Nile, proper. Country, common, versus Japan, proper. Book, common, versus Harry Potter, proper. Singer, common, versus Adele, proper. Can you spot the proper noun? Yep. It's the one with a capital letter and the specific identity. Let's test what you've learned. You'll be asked 10 questions, and you've got 2 minutes to answer all of them. Grab a notebook or pause as you go. 1. Is teacher a common or proper noun? 2. Is Instagram a common or proper noun? 3. What's the proper noun in the sentence? We visited Paris last summer. 4. Identify the common noun. Michael bought a car. 5. Is library a proper noun? 6. Give an example of a proper noun that names a mountain. 7. True or false? Proper nouns are always capitalized. 8. Choose the proper noun. Dog.
Cat, bella.
9. Is school a common noun or proper noun? 10. Give one sentence that contains both a common noun and a proper noun. Let's see how you did.
1. Common.
2. Answer, proper. 3. Paris. 4. Car. 5. Common. 6. Example: Mount Everest. 7. True. 8. Answer. Bella. 9. Common. 10. Example. James reads a book. James is proper. Book is common. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. And remember, capital letters love proper nouns, and common nouns love to blend in. Keep practicing, and soon, spotting them will be second nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized English lessons. You're doing great, one word at a time.
See you next time.
Thank you.